Hiya there, it's Adam at Fordingtons in Hexham, and today I'm showing you around the 64 plate Volkswagen Caddy 1.6 TDI. It's a C20 Startline panel van, finished in sort of a standard white colour. It does have wheel trims on there, they are removable, steel wheels behind. Extra safety lock on this side door, kept that open so I could open it without disrupting the video. And you can see the keys with it, but that's locked now. Onto the other door. The back panel still showing the logo of the former company that owned this, so I won't display that, but all in really good condition. Roof rails on the top, inside really clean, immaculate seats. Radio, and you've also got the Parrot display. This vehicle also has a great service history. It's also had a timing belt done, and they are really good vans. So there you are. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to get in touch, and we'll look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you now. Bye.